2020 Chevy Camaro ZL1 6.2 liter. Supercharged. So has the stock cats right there and right there. What we installed was a catback AWE system from right there all the way back. There's the AWE. We'll see if we can find it on Amazon. If we can, we'll link it below. It goes into an X pipe, dualed out into black tips. This is all complete with the AWE system. We welded everything. We don't really use clamps except for the front in case he wants to remove them in the future. There you go, there's the ZL1. It's gonna sound phenomenal. Decibels. You can feel it in your chest. That is a badass sound. Wow. Here's the idle. That's a sexy color with that lime green.